Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. So you're wondering how to reset your cPanel to its default settings, huh? Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. Sometimes we all need a fresh start, whether it's because things have gotten messy, you're troubleshooting an issue, or you're gearing up for a new project. Resetting cPanel can wipe away unwanted changes and give you a clean slate, making sure everything runs smoothly. In this guide, we're going to walk you through the steps to reset your cPanel to its default settings. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with web administration. This guide will help you manage your cPanel like a boss. Ready? Let's dive in. cPanel makes managing your web hosting a breeze by coming preloaded with settings that keep everything running smoothly. These default settings cover email, security, and resource management, making sure your website is good to go right from the start. When resetting your cPanel to default, you want to remove any customizations or data that was added over time. Here's a quick look at what cPanel sets up for you. 1. Email management. Got emails sent to non-existing addresses? No worries, cPanel's default mailbox catches them for you. 2. Resource limits. Disk space and bandwidth quotas are set automatically, helping you manage your resources without fuss. 3. Security settings. Default security measures keep your account safe from unauthorized access. These defaults give you a solid foundation to manage your hosting with ease. But why might you want to revert to these default settings? Sometimes you might want to hit the reset button on your cPanel settings because of 1. Corrupted settings. If things get messed up, resetting can fix issues caused by improper changes or software conflicts. 2. Misconfigurations. Accidentally created a mess while tinkering. Going back to default clears up errors and conflicts. And 3. New projects. Starting fresh with a new project, resetting gives you a clean slate. Alright, let's get into the steps to reset your cPanel to default. Step 1. Back up your data. Before making any changes, back up all your data. This includes your website files, databases, email accounts, and any other important data stored in your cPanel. You can use the built-in backup feature in cPanel to create a full backup. This ensures you have a copy of everything in case something goes wrong during the reset process and needs to be restored. Step 2. Use cPanel's built-in features. Alright, now that you've backed up your data, let's dive into using cPanel's built-in features to reset specific parts of your account back to default. cPanel makes this super easy, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. Use the file manager, MySQL databases, and email accounts tools to delete unnecessary files, drop and recreate databases, and remove and re-add email accounts. Step 3. Manual reset through file management. In some cases, a more thorough reset is required to achieve a completely clean cPanel environment. This involves deleting all non-default files, reinstalling applications, and resetting cPanel configurations to default settings. Use the file manager or an FTP client to delete unnecessary files, reinstall applications like WordPress, and reset email accounts and DNS settings. Step 4. Ensuring a clean slate. To achieve a truly default setup, follow these additional steps. Reset configuration files like .htaccess and .phe.ini to default settings. Check for hidden files and reset them as well. Ensure the directory structure matches the default setup provided by your hosting provider. And that's it! Your cPanel should now be in its default setup and ready to start a new project. To reconfigure the settings, you can always use the backed up files and data for a fresh start. So you've just reset your cPanel to its default settings. Remember to always back up your data first to avoid any mishaps. After the reset, reconfigure important settings like email accounts and databases to get everything back on track. Keep your cPanel running smoothly with regular updates and monitoring. And if you run into problems, don't hesitate to reach out to your hosting provider support team for help. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.